In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a simple signature in DocuSign. Whether you're a professional handling multiple documents or just someone who wants to get more organized, learning how to use e-signatures can simplify your administrative tasks and keep everything professional and efficient. Let's dive straight into the steps. To begin, make sure you're logged into your DocuSign account. Once you're in, the first thing you need to do is go to the DocuSign homepage. This is where you'll have access to all your documents, tools, and settings. From here, look towards the upper right part of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Clicking on this will expose a drop-down menu containing several options. What we want is the link that says Manage Profile. So go ahead and click on Manage Profile to proceed. Once you're in your profile settings, the next step is to locate the signature option on the screen. This is where we actually start the process of adding your signature. Click on the Signature tab to open up the Signature Management section. Now that we're here, you'll see the option to add signature. Clicking this will take you to a page specifically for creating your new e-signature. This part is very straightforward. First, you'll want to enter your name. This might seem obvious, but it's important to remember that the name you use here will appear on all documents you're signing electronically, so make sure it's exactly how you want it to appear on official documents. After typing in your name, you get to select the style of your signature. DocuSign offers a variety of signature styles to choose from, and while they might all look professional, picking one that closely resembles your personal handwriting can add a touch of sincerity to your digital correspondence. Take your time to browse through the options and select the one that you feel most comfortable with. Once you're satisfied with your signature style, it's time to finalize the process by clicking Create. This button is generally found towards the bottom of the page. Clicking Create saves your signature and applies it to your account, making it ready to use in all future documents. And that's it. You've successfully added a simple signature in DocuSign. This e-signature can now be applied easily to any of your documents, saving both time and paper. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore further settings and features within DocuSign to optimize your digital document workflow even more. Thanks for watching, and happy signing!